Fighting Maroons are now 2-2. We have assistant coach Christian Wanson, Gary Stevens, and Migs Enriquez. Coach, congratulations for this victory. First of all, na-break na yung losing streak dito sa QFAB. And then, more importantly, mukhang nakaka-unti-unti na kayo nakaka-recover from the 0-2 start season. So, you guys down by 13 points and you had a 22-2 run to rest the lead. So, what can you say?
Well, first, I want to give glory to God for this win, for allowing us to, prepare well, first and foremost. And yung blessing lang of, because everybody, has been under the weather, coaches and players, I'm sure you guys are aware there's sort of like a viral infection ngayon. And the team got really hit hard in the past few weeks. Players in and out of practice, missing 2 practices. So, I want to commend first and foremost si Harold because I know he only had 8 points, but he did play 20 minutes, and it felt like every time he had the ball, whether it's making a shot or creating plays, it was just big time. And for him to fight through yung kanyang nararamdaman, that was big for us. Second, si Migs for just staying ready. Barely, played in double figures, less than 10 minutes. Didn't see action in the first half, and yet he stayed ready, hit some big shots for us. And obviously the whole team for just gutting it out. Ang maganda kasi sa nangyari kanina is even though they were getting multiple chances or offensive rebounds, they didn't stop. So even though we were down, as you mentioned, we were able to climb back and get this win.
Thank you. To Gani, you had 10 points, 5 rebounds, 1 block, 1 steal. You're not for you to do 2 runs. So what can you say about the grit that you showed to pull this off?
And the baby now.
This game really just showed our character. Going into halftime, you had that little run, and then even the start of the third, we had that run again. So I just knew that I had to dig deep. First half I had some drop passes, 1 turnover, some missed plays. So I knew that I needed to step up for my team, and I just wanted to do everything I could. Rebounds, block shots, help them communicate, and my teammates do that as well, and that's why we were able to finish strong.
Thank you. To Migs, you played 9 minutes, but you had 8 points, 1 rebound, 1 steal, and we had plus 14 tonight. So chips were down, but you guys able to do this too. So what can you say about your comeback from 13 points now?
I feel like we've been in those situations a lot, and like Zach said, all the players and all my teammates put in the trust, keep the trust with each other and the game plan. I think it's really huge, and we stuck together till the end, and we were able to fight back and win back the game.
Thank you, Migs.